Hi, my name is Harris Haig, and the topic that I've decided to conduct a presentation on is artificial intelligence. The four main questions that I'll be answering in this presentation are: what is artificial intelligence? How is AI used today? Can AI be dangerous? And what the future of AI is. Uh, Again, the first topic that I'll be discussing is what is artificial intelligence. AI is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building smart machines that are capable of performing tasks that typically require human intelligence. The first idea of AI was in 1950 when a man named Alan Turing published Computing Machinery and Intelligence, proposing what is now called the Turing test, and this test is a method of determining what a machine's intelligence is. Then in 1956, the phrase artificial intelligence itself was coined at the Dartmouth Summer Research Project on Artificial Intelligence. This was a conference that defined the scope and goals of AI and is widely considered to be the birthplace of what we know today about AI. Then in 1956, Alan Newell and Herbert Simon demonstrate logic theorist, which was the very first reasoning program. This is considered to be the first instance that AI was actually used. From this point on, AI has stemmed into all different directions, all different types of machines and programs and so on. The next topic that I'll be discussing is how AI is used today. The first instance of how AI is used today is Siri, Alexa, and other virtual assistants. These allow us to find information, give us directions, add events to calendars, and help us send messages and other things. These programs use machine learning technology to get smarter and better able to predict and understand our natural language questions and requests. So over time, as we use them more and more, they will adapt to our questions and how we think so that they can better serve us. Another use of AI today is IBM's Watson. This is a computer or a question answering computer system. Watson does everything from natural language processing to medicine, voice recognition, sentiment analysis, business analytics, and many more things. Watson even competed on the show Jeopardy and won for the first place prize for $1 million. Another instance of how AI is used today are humanoid robots that are being produced, mainly by a company called Hanson Robotics, based in China, I believe, or Singapore. And what these robots do, so what they try and mimic exactly how humans act, and over time, they're just advanced social learning robots. So the most famous one, called Sophia, efficiently communicates with natural language and uses facial expressions to convey human-like emotions. And Sophia, if you might know, is sort of a celebrity. She's appeared on talk shows like Jimmy Fallon's Tonight Show and has even accepted citizenship from Saudi Arabia. And then another, or the final use for AI that I will discussing is Netflix. And Netflix, similar to many other services similar to it, like Spotify, Pandora, Hulu, like music streaming, and television streaming, just any entertainment service, they take in reviews from the user and see what they like and don't like, and from that they will offer new music, new shows, new movies to the user to help them better use their service. The top 10 countries where AI is implemented are China, the USA, Canada, Russia, Germany, Norway, Sweden, France, India, and the UK. Out of all of these, China is the global leader. They don't necessarily declare to the public how much money is spent on AI or what research goes into it. But what we do know is that by 2030, they plan to be a $150 billion global leader, which would far surpass any other country in the world. The USA is probably second in the competition, and they've benefited with $10 billion venture capital channeling and direction of AI. However, the future of AI in the US is a little unclear because of President Trump's decisions in the country, and countries like France and Germany are working together on projects to try and further AI in their respective countries. The next topic that I will be discussing is, can AI be dangerous? AI itself is not dangerous, however, it does have the possibility to become dangerous. It's all down to the programming and what it can be limited to. AI itself is based on learning and knowledge. So the more AI helps people, it will learn more and will learn more about how humans act. So as long as AI is limited and there are boundaries set, it cannot become dangerous. However, in countries like Russia, they're using it for militaristic purposes. So obviously, if that goes out of control, people can be hurt. So it's just something we need to look out for. And another way that can be dangerous is simply if it's programmed to be dangerous, like they are in Russia. However, in most instances that we see in the Western world, it's not being used for dangerous purposes. It's just used for like the medical fields or entertainment. It has nothing to do with harming people. The next topic I will discuss is what the future of AI is. Each and every day, there are new advancements in AI. The majority of countries around the world invest money into AI research, so progression is very fast. That being said, the future of AI is very unpredictable because certain companies are seeking to replace some of their workforce with AI workers, such as car factories. They use AI machines to build the cars. So blue-collar workers are concerned with the future availability of jobs. Also, people are concerned about if AI gets into the wrong hands, because if someone has evil intentions with AI, then they can 100% cause harm to many people. Despite all these concerns, however, there's no doubt that the future is autonomous, because the possibilities of AI are endless and it can be used in so many ways to help people all around the world. Thank you for watching. There's my works cited. That is all. Thank you.